day,
Bħal prinċep ċkejken,
I went on a very long trip. I left Ernesto in charge of my pet iguana,
u l-pjanti, u l-lozor, il-pitturi, u l-friġ.
a very old pistachio green fridge that belonged to my grandfather and still smelled like rotting figs. A childless man, I prided myself in keeping all these things alive,
Tmajt lill-Ernesto, lill-Igwana,
both of whom ate very little.
saqqejt il-pjanti, ħsilt il-lozor kull ġimgħa, farfajt l-inkwatri mdendlin, id-defrostjajt il-friġ.
It was a good home, but the time had come to leave. Keep well, I will be back.
U bistom kollha qabel tlaqt. Meta ġejt lura, Ernesto kien jidher jien, il-pjanti bisu bit-trab, l-inkwatri u l-lozor ma kinux għadhom hemm.
The fridge was disgorging its frost, and the glass tank was full of sand.
Staqsejtu għaliex, kont fdajtu.
He said he did not bother with Nemaites and preferred the walls and mattress bare. As for the iguana, he said instead of food, he poured a handful of sand into the tank each day.
Jekk id-dar kienet verament għal-qalbi kelli nirritorna qabel tindifen.
For a long time, we both sat in silence
Inpejpu s-sigaretti.
and watching the iguana swim in the sand,
Xi kultant toħroġ għal-ftitarja u terġa' todos, isa xi sirena.
the striped tail following in slow circles that were smaller and smaller until the sand got up the tiny hole.
Ma flaħx iktar, ma jilti tank fuq naħa, ir-ramel infirex, l-igwana tgerbet il-barra nifisa maqtuħ.
Ancestral dragon, silent devil. Its head had grown too large and it had lost most of its color.
Ersaqt liha bil-mod, imma ma daritx qed tibża minni.
When I ventured to pick it up, it broke in my hand. It was nothing more than a hollow shell, fragile, wafer thin.
Infqajt nibki. Ernesto tabtab li tnejn fuq spalti.
A human gesture reserved only for the worst moments of despair.
Dort fuqu, imma subajja u fidu, biċċiet tfarku fuq il-flok tiegħi.
Ah, Ernesto, how long was I away, my sweet, for you to vanish like this?